Y'all, look at this car, y'all. He trying to... Oh, they getting it, y'all.
Oh, and it's gonna fall all the way down there. You put the camera down there. So
they could see. You talking about put the camera down there. What the freak? She need to get from up out of there.
I know. She needs to get out of there.
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh my! Oh my God!
Oh my
Oh
God! Oh my God! Is she okay?
Yeah, she okay. She okay.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she okay. She okay. But it was somebody else in the car.
Oh my goodness. Is they okay?
She okay. The driver's okay. I don't know about the other person.
Emergency recording started.
Исходя из психологического портрета Куликова и Железогло, их стали искать на выезде из города. Они попытаются сделать так называемый рывок за пределы Москвы.